Lucky tackle box time. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yep.
This is the November Lucky Tackle box. They even put a "We Support Our Troops" sticker on the box. That's nice. This Daddy's a veteran, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice of them to do that. We're gonna make this one real short because it's real cold. All right, what do we got? We got a bonus gift. Lucky you, it says.
Wait, Dad. Is that a sticker?
Oh, I support our troops sticker.
Can I put it on my folder?
They put a sticker. Yeah, you can put it on your folder. They put a sticker in the box. We've been wanting them to put stickers in the box, haven't we? Sweet. All right. We got our Lucky Monthly magazine. Where is the what's in your box? There it is.
There.
Okay, you gonna read?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ready?
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Teaser tackle, the razor, price $12.99.
Teaser tackle, the harasser. It says harasser.
Okay.
$12.99. Teaser tackle. Let's see. There it is. Not much for labeling on the front of this. Look at that. Okay. I don't know what to think about this. Being honest with you, kind of looks more like a joke to me. I don't know what that is.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's all right. I would never buy that.
Limited lures corkscrew.
Limited Lures Corkscrew, $5.29.
Mm-hmm.
Limited Lures. Look at that. Some soft plastics. No Limit. Corkscrew. Ribbon tail worm. Blue and pearl. Blue and silver-ish. Okay, $5.29 for that. I can't believe that first one was $13. Okay. Next.
Bait Brigade Scout.
Brigade.
Bait Brigade Scout.
How much?
Price $7.49.
$7.49. Here we got a lipless. No other information other than Bait Brigade on the box. Feels kind of cheap. Looks like a bluegill color. Lipless crank. Got some knockers in there. Huh. That might work. Maybe. Okay. That's $7.49. Okay, next.
Mustad Ultra Lock plastic hook. Price $3.49.
Plastic hook. What? Ultra Lock Light Soft Plastics. It's for soft plastics. It's not a plastic hook. 2/0, 4 of them. How much are those? $3.49.
$3.49, yeah.
All right, what's next?
Matte Duo.
Nope, this one.
Oh. Clear cut. CC 6000. Price $5.99.
Okay. Spinnerbait. I've liked the clear cut spinnerbaits so far. 1/2 ounce. Gold. We've gotten quite a bit of these, this brand in our tackle boxes. And I've been happy with those so far, actually. So we're going to go with, how much was it? $6?
Yeah, it was $5.99.
I think that's a good one. I'm going to put that in the good pile. Okay.
Matsuo, Furico, Pen, SQB, 4, 5,
2.5
2.5.
for $6.99. So we got a square bill with some crazy packaging. 2.5 inch square bill sexy shad.
Don't say that in front of me, Dad.
Oh, it's just the name of the color.
Okay.
Smart kid. It looks okay. How much was it?
It's $6.99.
$6.99. Let's go ahead and take it out, see what it feels like. Tell a lot by the feel. Knockers in there. Feels solid. Huh. We'll put that in the maybe pile. Okay. What's next?
Stella Jig Space Invader, $4.99.
Space Invader. Yeah, it looks like a Space Invader. Nice. We got a jig. It's been a while since we got jigs. Black and blue. Always a good color. It's got a weed guard on it. Feels nice. I like the color. Looks good. I'll put that in the yes pile because I'm gonna use that for sure.
When is the new boat gonna come?
The new boat. Did you hear that?
Yeah, we already got a boat.
We got a boat that we use, but we bought a bigger boat. Got a Bass Tracker 175 guide series. It's got a 115 on it. Springtime, it'll be here.
The boat that we had was the one that we did that I was sitting on on one of the videos.
In one of the videos, we got a small boat. It's a Lumacraft Fisherman 145. It's got a little 10 horse on it. It's a nice boat, but it's not a take up to Lake Erie boat, and it's not a fast boat. Real slow, kind of annoying. So my brother and I went in and purchased a bigger boat together. So we'll show some videos of that come springtime, huh? We got one more, I think, Joe. There's one more on there. Yeah. Huh? Oh, they didn't put it on there. Interesting. I wonder if this was an accident, or maybe this is a maybe this
Wait,
is
it's
the
a free
special
bonus
gift.
lure.
Yeah.
Free bonus lure.
Where?
Right down here.
Yeah, but does it say what it is?
No.
Look around. You got a free bonus lure. We got the Lunker Hunt Froglet. Looks like a frog, don't it? Top water bait.
This one might be my favorite because we got a free bonus
It's a walking
lure.
bait. We've gotten a couple of these from them too, and they have worked pretty well. So that's definitely in the yes pile. So yes pile, we got 3 baits, maybe pile 1, and 2 probably going to be no-dos. So 3 out of the 5 baits we got. Well, we got actually two maybes. The lipless, that's going to be a maybe. So the 2 hard baits, the square bill and the lipless, that'll be maybes. We got the spinnerbait, jig, and walking bait. Those are for sure going to be used. And then we get the soft plastics. Both of those soft plastics look like trash, to be honest with you. So they're probably not going to get used. I'm not even going to waste my time. But a decent box. A little less than decent. Getting 3 baits that I'm definitely going to use out of the 7. So, anything you want to tell them?
No.
No? Well, the last couple of videos I've tested out the baits and put some of that footage in these videos, but I don't think I'm going to do that with this one because it is super cold right now. And Mama's got to work, and I got some stuff to do inside the house, so we're not going to do that right now. But, nothing you want to tell them? Alright, well, we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video if you wouldn't mind doing so. We greatly appreciate it. Nothing else? does that mean?
I don't know.
Live long and prosper. Tell them. Live long and prosper.
Live long and prosper.
See ya.